How to source for product on Flipkart? Looking for the perfect product on Flipkart but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Let's dive in. First, grab your laptop and open Flipkart website. Easy peasy, right? Now see the big search bar at top. That's your magic win. Just tap on it. Want a new phone? Just type smartphone. Need shoes? Type sneakers. You can source anything electronic, clothes, even kitchen items. Flipkart's got it all. Scroll through the option, check product ratings, reviews, and price. Found the one you love, just click it and you are ready to shop. And that's it. Searching for product on Flipkart is super quick, simple, and fun. So go ahead and let Flipkart do the magic. If this helped, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your shopaholic friend. Happy shopping!